Good day, everybody. Thank you for coming to the Mexican Embassy, and thank you for allowing amazing embassy cooking to come into your house. I am Melba Priya, the Mexican ambassador. Let me show you around. Come. This is the Mexican residence. It is usually used for big events, when we have invitations, when we have cocktails. Our embassy has been in the same place for many, many years. We were given this plot of land in 1888 by the Meiji government. And this embassy was built in 1962. Please, come to the kitchen. He is the chef of the Mexican embassy. He has a great menu for you.
Hello, my name is Germán Oliva. I am the chef of the Embassy of Mexico in Japan, and thank you for coming. I made some really special menu for you, and I hope you like it. Taco al pastor. It's good. Today, I'm going to show you and I'm going to teach you how to make tacos al pastor. The traditional way in Mexico, it's in a trompo, similar to kebab, and you can see it in the picture. And today I'm going to show you how to make it at your home. A very special salsa that we call it adobo sauce. For the adobo, we need dry chili, this kind of chili, you can find them also in Japan. Vinegar, some spices, cumin, pepper, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, also garlic and onion. The first thing that we're gonna do is the adobo sauce. For the adobo sauce, I need to clean the dry chili. What I have to do is to take out the first part of the chili and take out all the seeds. So it's important to clean and to take out all the seeds from the chili pepper because this is the part where it's going to be very, very spicy. And it's going to be around 1 minute just to hydrate the chili peppers. So to make the adobo sauce, I'm going to use a blender. I'm going to put the chiles and a little bit of the liquid that I use to hydrate my chilies. I'm going to add the bay leaves, vinegar, and all the spices. Salt. So this is the adobo sauce, and we're gonna use it to marinate the pork meat. we're gonna need pork meat. We're gonna need also pineapple, onion, pork meat. And what I'm going to do is just to slice the pork. And I'm going to do thin slices like this. And I'm gonna add some salt and pepper before adding the adobo sauce, okay? It's necessary to do it by both sides. Adobo sauce and spread it. You can feel the aroma of cinnamon, bay leaves, and all the spices that we use. And it's important to do it both sides as well. That's it. So we're going to put this in the fridge at least 30 minutes to get all the flavors, to the meat. And also we're going to cut the onion in strips. Now the pork meat, it's marinated. It has to be very, very thin. The strips of onion, okay? Before roasting the meat, what we're gonna do is to roast pineapple, that it's going to be the sweet part of the al pastor taco. In Mexico, we cook this pineapple and also the meat with in a trompo, that is the shape that you saw in the picture, and also the flavor, smoky flavor, is because of the carb oil. So in this case, as you are doing in your home, we're gonna get the flavor, the smoky flavor, from the dry pan, okay? We're gonna start to turn them to all the sides of the pineapple get roasted, okay? So after 30 minutes that we marinated the meat, we're gonna start to grill it. And it has to be very, very hot, the pan. After 45 seconds or almost a minute, I'm going to turn the meat because I need to be cooked. So after 2 minutes that we grilled our pork meat, it's ready. Turn off the heat, and I'm gonna start to chop the meat. What I'm going to do is to grab the meat. That's it. What I'm gonna do is to put together in a fry pan the onion, the meat, and also the pineapple already roasted. So now the onion is already caramelized, and we are going to add the meat. At the end, we're gonna add some pieces of the pineapple. So now our preparation is done. The carne al pastor is done. So what we're gonna do is to try it in a taco. Okay? We have over here tortilla, carne al pastor, pineapple, and salsa verde. This is the real taste of Mexico. It's a very simple recipe. I hope you can do it in your place. And next time I will teach you how to make tortillas from scratch, salsa verde and salsa roja. Enjoy, this is oishi.